Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make spicy dal powder. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and dry roast 1 cup of Toor dal. When it turns light brown, add 10 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 cup of roasted gram. Roast this for 1 minute and add 1 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds. Stir well and turn off the flame. Heat 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in a pan and sauté 10 crushed garlic cloves and half a cup of curry leaves. When the curry leaves become crispy, turn off the flame and add half a teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Mix well and add this into the roasted dal. Add a little salt and allow it to cool. Grind this into a fine powder and store in an airtight container. This will go nice with ghee for plain rice. Please do try and post your feedback.